Hi guys, welcome back to my universe. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. If it's your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome to my universe. Thanks for stopping by. Please do me a favor before you leave. Kindly subscribe to watch more of my videos. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion on hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. So my gallant, beautiful, adorable subscribers that keep coming back to check me out to see what I got to offer, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for checking me out. May the good Lord check you out. May the good spirit never be far from you. May He guide your going out and your coming in, your household. Thanks for your correction, your maturity, your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to talk about the hot topic wey dey for social media right now. This one na my state for yours dey shele. Na my state for dey happen. Still on politics things between APC and PDP, between Adams Oshiomhole, Godwin Obaseki, and Pastor Eze Iyamu. The quarrel not gree finish for ground. The saga not gree finish for ground, and it dey break my heart. Say, man, my brothers and sisters for Edo, my brothers and sisters for Benin, they like take this thing say na normal. They take this thing say na so it fair be, na so we suppose do am. Not knowing say they sell their future by themselves. They sell their dignity by themselves. They sell their souls for peanuts. It really breaks my heart. This very one way can't just happen. So now this one I be the highest. Now this one me personally they call taboo. Some group of Edo people, my people, papa, mama, brother, sister, auntie, uncle, they go the front of our palace. They go the front of our house. They go the front of our pride. They go the front of our, oh Jesus Christ. I don't know if I want to say talk this thing. Honestly, I'm really upset. They go there, they go they do protest. They go they form, nothing they happen. For the front of sacred place, that our palace, we know they use until they play with anybody. This one are the highest disrespect from the highest order where anybody fit think of. They fair they do, but this one are the worst. This one are the highest. For this set of people to come out to spit for all Edo people face is not acceptable, and I don't think it should be acceptable to any Edo seed, to any Edo pikin, to any Edo prince and princesses around the world. It no matter where you the resident, it no matter where you they stay, it no matter where you they live, as long as na Edo pikin you be, as long as they born you for Edo state, you should condemn this act. Like seriously, this one oh Jesus Christ have mercy. I don't know, honestly, I don't know as body they do me put. I don't know. And now this set of people now go come out for social media, they cause some group of people Orionba. All these people need to be brought to book. All these people need to pay for disrespecting our palace. Honestly, they really need to pay for it, to show other people say there is a limit to what they can do. To show other people say get where pikin or they play rich, it get where pikin they crawl rich. Like seriously, I use this opportunity still to appreciate people where they speak out on this thing, where they condemn this art. I really appreciate Suna from the bottom of my heart. But if the truth must be told, I never see enough people where they condemn this art. I never see enough people where they say no to this kind of thing. I think almost all the Edo people for the world don't see the video where they go viral, where some of my brothers and sisters go our palace, go our home, go our pride, go they do protest, they begin go they fight, some even go they lights gun there. Like seriously, my Edo brothers and sisters, enough is enough. We all have to stand up to condemn this art. Say we know they take this thing. Because we know where ebonore we so enyega we ya we I know if you understand what my brothers and my sisters, they call Mr. Godwin Obaseki Tifo. They begin to shout for the Ojibole, ole. Like seriously. Ojibole. Now na really they call. Between Mr. Eze Iyamu, where people say they want now, and our present governor, who be Ojibole, who loot our money, who get case with EFCC, who bill repay for 8 years, who collect money million every month for good 8 years, who they corrupt right now, my brothers and sisters. Make una beg, make una know what una they fight for. If una they do protest, una do na protest. Me, I'm not engaged that. But you people crossing your boundary, going to my palace, palace, going to my father and my mother's house to go constitute nuisance, no, is not acceptable. It's not acceptable to every good Edo citizens. We say no to all these things because our papa, because our father, because our umbrella na very calm person. No me say na coward, no me say no step we want take because he dey accommodative, no me say na weak low. You people should not push him to do what he doesn't want to do. Make una stop because this one is not getting funny anymore. This one not dey funny anymore because the one that they go about this politics right now is not the right way because no nyakmanga tiokmasone no manya ogwaya heku. I'll give you a talking right now with all due respect to each and every one of you. For those of una wey never see the video, wey no know wetin I dey talk about, make I share the little video with una. Mona see wetin they do for our palace. Mona see how our brothers and our sisters they place curses on their self. Later they'll come they say more they pray for them. Later they'll come they say more they donate for them. When they use their hand, they curse wetin wan worry them tomorrow. Please bear with me and pardon my anger. Let me share the little video with you. I will be back. Alright, my wonderful brothers and sisters, you welcome back to my universe. Hope una see that video. Hope una see my brothers and sisters. They shout Ojibole to Mr. Governor Obaseki. I don't feel understand my people. I don't know why they prefer to chop 1,000 or 10,000 for 4 years. Can they disturb we way they abroad? We not get who to beg. We not get who to ask. Where they can they disturb us for abroad? Make una fight for una right now. Make una come out case for una eyes. Mona see what una they fight for. Whether it really matter, whether it really makes sense. If you check these people right now where they protest, ask them wetin that they protest for. Wetin Governor Obaseki do? They go tell you say he not the lawyer. They go tell you say he not share money. They go tell you say he betray Mr. Oshomole. Like seriously, my Edo people. Like seriously, now let Mr. Comrade Adams Oshomole and I get those states. Now only in get those states, una not the fight for una self, una the fight for somebody who don't get money. Why some of my Edo people like to be slave? Why some of my Edo people like to blame people for their own mistake? This is your opportunity to claim your possession back, to hold your ground. No, now they fight for somebody where no one leave power, where one hold for inside power, where they destroy you and me, where like corruption. With all due respect to Mr. Oshomole, I'm really angry, I'm really upset, I'm really like, oh Jesus Christ, I don't know as I want to talk on. My Edo people, waiting they happen. What is going on, for crying out loud? What is going on? Ask them again, why una they do all these things? They go tell una say, Mr. Governor Obaseki scatter Mr. Tony Kabaka Ote. Like seriously, my people. Like seriously, how that one can't affect una? How that one take put food on our table? How it take put food on our table? How it put food on our table? With respect to Mr. Tony Kabaka, please, my brothers and sisters, you people should fight for yourself and stop fighting to be slave and stop fighting to come disturb us where they are abroad. We know they pluck money for abroad. You don't get one person where they dash us money for abroad. If you go supermarket, you want to go buy something, say it remain 1 cent, make your money not complete. They not go agree, make you carry things come out. They not go agree. They go tell you say make you return something because of 1 cent where your money not take correct, or because of 1 cent they go cut 50 euro. They not care, nothing is free here. So more not they depend on us, more not they collect 10,000 or 5,000, more not come they feel say una brother una sister they abroad. Una know how to they live. Una know how they pay our house rents. Una know how they pay our bill. How many of una from January to December they call to just know how we they do? How many of una for that Edo State they call us to want know how we take they live? How many of una? All una they do not to bring, not to bring, not to bring. We not be Jackie. We not be una servants. We not come live because of una. So you people should fight for yourself in Nigeria. You people should fight for yourself in Edo State. Like seriously, enough of all this talking in I beg. Some people not just need calm talking. Some people need action. Some people need somebody to tell them, to spit the truth to their face. Yes, some people for Edo State, una really need them, not be saying a lie. Go to constitute nuisance for our house, for our palace, all in the name of una no want Governor Obaseki. What the APC go find for palace the day where Governor Obaseki they go palace? What una go find? What una go find for there if not be to cause chaos, if not be to put fear for the good citizens body, may therefore not come out to come vote on election day? What is wrong with you people? What did they worry una? What did they happen? What did they happen, my people? What did they happen? It never reach one out stop to be slave. It never reach one out they take peanut from one person. It never reach one out stop to the answer to one person. It never reach one out will look una picking for I wanna spend una have them money for me to go school, make it start to the working. It never reach make una say enough is enough mothers. It never reach avi kweki, avi jiman jeki, o ma ese. Egbe na yama ewo wan gwana mwet mize nu gwana gwa le 10,000 nu gwana mu jake every 4 years gwana mo laga nu gwana mu imam nu gwamu like seriously ven waya ya tie Mr. Eze yamu onwi Mr. Eze yamu onwi then waya ya ladian when the courtist is stopping Edo he believe you go to stopping I believe say for that stop. If to say the way my fathers, my mothers say they carry this politics for head like saying a contract with all due respect, I'm really pissed like seriously. If to say so they say they come out, I believe say they for that come out all those gun for road. How can a youth carry gun come out for broad daylight, come they shoot for palace? How dare you? How dare you? Which one be all this one? Which one be all this one? A donor for one person. A donor for one person. People wey go school, go read something for school, they not get better job. They give people wey not go school, wey not fit write their name, wey not fit even speak English, wey not fit even defend wetin they go write for school. They give those people power. Like seriously, my people. It don't they done to me right now. Say not be politicians be our problem. Now we be ourselves problem. Now we no want change. Now we by the Christ say we need change. We don't really need change. We don't need change. Honestly, we don't need change. If to say we need change, we for the see and so una need change. Una not need change. Una love to be slave. Una love to the day under person. Una love to the say sasa follow person. Una love to the say mama follow person. Una just in fact there are some people are just born to be slave. Or vient so working. Awa bien don solo bo wa jiyan. Ono wa gbon jiyan or vion bia or vion ko or working like seriously. E vient so waje inyamagwa le change. But the breaking news be say whether una like am or not, Edo must better, Edo must good, Edo must change. Whether una like am or not, Edo must change. Not be saying a lie. After all this many saga for social media, I can still see one of our brother, Mr. Abatobaze, in come out, come talk, say man, in run for a dear life. Say there be one killer for our palace. Say people come the point on. Say this one Abatobaze where they join Governor Obaseki. Say people be one enter am. He not can even fit enter a motor again. He can carry cab. Now he say cab. Now for come they do that video. My question to my Edo people, my question to my people where they shout Pastor Ezeyamu must win. My question I say, una no dey safe for una house, una no dey safe for streets, una no dey safe for church, una no dey safe for our palace. Where una for dey safe? Where una for, in fact, where una wan run go now? Where una wan run go? When they grow, they come that time. If person they pursue you, they come, you run enter palace. Nobody fit pursue you enter palace. Our palace be like, oh Jesus, I want to talk am. I no feel understand. Una leg be ne gwa. Omorokba. In fact, I may be your money. No ya who well awe gwa. Egwa na wa home. Egwa na people they hide. You no fit enter egwa. Go do person anything. But my brothers and sisters, they break that code right now. My brothers and sisters, they say nothing they happen. We be adult children, so we can do anything in our palace. No, my brothers and sisters, now they get something wrong because new generation are raising up. We are tired, we are fed up, we are tired of your nuisance. Like seriously, we don't tire. We need change. We don't tire. Like seriously, we need change. Let's say enough is enough, my brothers and sisters. Let's call out all the Orionba. Let's call out all the Orionto. Let's banish all of them. No, we are Amsukaka. No, we are Ariabayo. Oh, Remyok by your Tedori. Oh, Remyok by your Tobari. No, we are Hansios Quesagin your Tedo. No, we sage enye siraba sirabie do ya fefe no rima inya yo gwe yakpoluwa yo te donire because e donigi guwa because that state na state of peace, that state na state where they accommodative. If we not fit continue to the rule that town, honestly speaking, we are tired. We want states where be say our children go fit waka freely, go fit waka safely, where our women no go dey fear say like no dey waka. Some bunch of idiots go they plan on how they want to farm them. For abroad, for you can walk 20, 50, 70 o'clock, nothing they happen. But for your own papa, your own mama land, you know fit bold waka for 12 o'clock, you know fit bold waka for 9 o'clock, you know fit bold do anything where you want. And my people are there still shouting, Obaseki not share national cake, Obaseki not do this, Obaseki not do that. What one they beat Governor Obaseki for now? What one they beat am for? What he do? Wow no magi wata magno na wow Omaga national cake. When they start to share this national cake, how far? What be the change? What be the change? I beg, before this thing come carry me go where I no want go, make I share about Obaze video with una. Make una listen to Ram. I will be back.
Yes, I know people. Now, I've seen the picture. We have seen in reality what is Ezeyamu, APC and their boys have been planning. All the boys that they have been giving millions of naira, they have done their job today. I was attacked. Look at my body. I was attacked. You can see, I had to run for my dear life. I had to join a taxi. This is taxi that is carrying me now. They deployed their cortis, they deployed their boys to front of the Oba Palace to prevent the governor and his entourage from entering the Oba Palace. So this is the update of what is happening. I was attacked, I was kicked. If not for the security agencies, men of the police that were there, I would have been killed there. I raised a post yesterday that my life is under threat. They were mentioning my name. Siaba. Tony Kabaka and his boys, his brother Ogie, with some other boys that I know, I saw them there. Egogo, there's one black boy, Egogo was there. Egogo was instigating violence. President Muhammadu Buhari, I think they are prepared to kill everybody in a door. They are prepared to bury everybody in a door. We will remain unperturbed. We remain committed to this cause. This is a fight for our future. It's a fight for our life, and we must make sure that we sustain it. Agberos cannot come back and take over this state. Details shortly. They are still there. If not for the security men that were there, they would have attacked the governor's comfort. Exactly what happened in Yabo. That's what just happened again today in front of the Oba Palace. If they respect the Oba, if they respect our Oba, they would have deployed their men to go and embarrass the Oba's visitor. Enough is enough. The people they are going to kill, my life is all danger. They are trying to kill me. They are trying to kill my family. Start looking for their family abroad. They've got to hide their children abroad, their wife abroad. Start looking for them. PDP is power. Obaseki has given power to the people, and the people must stand behind the vacancy governor to sustain this power. In fact, what happened today shows that this one they are ready to kill everybody in the door to make Ezeyamu governor. Thank you very much. We will remain undeterred. We will continue to work. Are you okay? Come for that good tell someone they say you want buy something. What do you want buy? Thank you very much. PDP is power. Vote PDP in this forthcoming election. Vote Obaseki Shoaibu. When we defeat them, it's normal. It's normal. They know they don't have the people. That is why they resorted to violence. They know they don't have us. They resorted to violence. But we will defeat them. We will defeat them with our PVC. We will not resort to carrying arms. We will not fight them with anything. We are going to defeat them at the polls with our PVC. Thank you very much. Share this video until it gets to President Muhammadu Buhari. Share it until it gets to the IG. Share it until it gets to the director of SSS. These people, they are ready, and we are also ready for them with our PVC. Thank you very much. Vote Obaseki, vote Fini Shoaibu. PDP, power to the people. PDP, power to the people. Isoleto. Thank you.
All right, my wonderful brothers and sisters, hope una see that video, hope una listen to am, hope una hear say in saying run for a dear life just because of politics, just because he gets who you want vote for. Enough is enough, my brothers. Enough of the killing in Edo State. Enough of you saying now you get Edo, because Edo not be only for you. Edo na for all of us. Like seriously, make una stop all these things. Don't say many people get issue with this our brother Abat Obaze. That one no matter, na him get him mat. As long say he not carry gun, na him mat it talk. You still on your camera, may you talk. You still on your camera, state your facts. Anybody will choose who you want vote for. He say our brother Mr. Tony Kabaka come there, and now this our bros now come advise our youths. Say may they not do violence. Say politics not be waiting that they fight put. Politics not be waiting that they lose life put. May they use their brain. I was surprised to see them for where they do casino. I was surprised to see them for front of palace. I was surprised to see them for there, and not be APC, not be they go palace. What's all this? What it be all this one now? What it be all this one? Because of politics, you want to kill somebody picking? Okay, what it be the gain where people they get to kill people? What it be the game? Una not forget say one day una go see die, and if una die, any soul una don't take, una go give accounts to them on a very good day. Una go answer to every soul una don't collect, una not create. Una go give them accounts. Una take their life. Una not forget 20 years is not forever. Even though you spend 100 years for this life, one day na one day you will give accounts to these people. This earth all of us dey so, this life all of us dey live so. Many of us know wetin dey happen, but you see the other world, you see the other life, nobody know how e take dey play. But person wey you comot for this world know how e take dey play for there. Automatically that person na chairman or chairwoman or chair lady for where you send am go, and you must face am on a very good day. No be say na lie. I no dey refer to Bros Tony Kabaka alone. I dey talk generally. Neither I dey talk say Mr. Tony Kabaka na killer. I no dey talk like that. Don't say many people they talk wetin I expect from Bros Tony Kabaka na not to even appear for that kind of place, because not be APC, not being the go palace, na PDP come the go palace. My question na wetin Bros Tony Kabaka go do for palace? Wetin Bros Tony Kabaka go mobilize boys go do for there? Na be my question. If they say they come beat or kill this our brother Abat, will you be happy? And this our bros cry come out for social media when they fear say man people dey after he pikin, people dey after his son, say he just dey turn na, say those say na him born na, but na government pikin, na soldier pikin. Him just say may just let people know wetin dey play. But you no come think and say Abat Obaze or any other person where people dey plan dey go meet na, where people dey plan for na woman still born there, na person still born there. Why we too dey think for ourselves only? Why be say we dey think for ourselves only? Why would they feel say na only we now they get pain, other people no count, other people no matter? Why na? Why Abat Obaze na mama born? Abat Obaze get pikin wey dey train na. Abat Obaze get wife. So as many other people wey believe on one candidate or the other. So please, wetin dem no go do una? Mona no dey do am to Edo fellow person like una. Mona no dey do am to any Nigeria person like una. Mona no dey do am to any human being like una, because ya wegbere ayabo yenedo. Because e no easy to carry pikin for only 3 months, not to talk of say 9 months. Some women dey wey carry pikin for 12 months. E no easy. Mona no dey cause us pain. Mona no dey cause women pain. We be say me, Jesus, oh God, why for peanuts? Why? How much? How much? You see, what people never know, if you collect money to take somebody life, not forget somebody go still pay amounts wey big pass the one wey they pay you wey you take person life, and the other person I go for you without looking back. Not be saying a lie. So people for Edo where they feel say man, nothing they happen, now they get Edo, now they get power. Mona they very careful. Mona they very careful because the heroes of the land are not happy with you people. The good spirit of the land, they are not happy with you people. Make una case not gonna be like case of Goliath. May not gonna be saying a small pikin wanna offend their papa or wanna buy their papa or their mama. Now go use catapult, take catapult una. Mona they very careful because enough is enough. Our papa not they talk, not me saying a coward. Our papa not they talk, not me saying a weak low. Our papa not they talk, not me saying no what they do. He's just been a lovely father. Mona not cause him to release the beast where they side them. If he release them, that I don't know contain any of una. Like seriously, in my opinion, if una ask me, anybody wey face show for that video when I show just now, wey start or instigate that violence, wey start that fight, it should be brought to book. He or she should be used as a scapegoat, or be a scapegoat. I don't know say that they call them for other people to tell no say our palace not be where children for the do jangolova. Our palace not be where picking for the dance 10-10. Our palace not be where picking for the dance arisco. Our palace na sacred land. Like seriously. Now you and me from that Edo for that Nigeria, now be problem of Nigeria. Why I talk so? Person wey do corruption, what we like, if they bring their corruption come out, we go say, what of the other person? Una not talk of the other person, una they talk of the one when I like. What did that one got to do with the corruption where the one where you they support do? Without ask that one where you they follow or where you like for accountability, you know if you ask another person. We the Edos, we the Nigerians, we are very good to the cover for the people who we love, for the person where we like. We know they like, we know they want, make those people pay for their crime. We they always they say, what of the other one? What of the other one? We they let our emotion they declare our judgments. Without say make the one where you like pay for a crime, other people not go pay. So most stop to the cover up, most stop to they say, oh, this one on my own, this one no matter. Mona fair go ask the other one. Now make many politicians for Edo State, for Nigeria, they go scot-free because you don't want me to pay for their crime. Me don't want me to pay for their crime. As me be now, I be full-time AAC. In fact, I carry AAC like contract. If peradventure, God forbid, say one news come out, one report come out, say my candidate, Mr. Omoyele, say he do one corruption. I not go talk say because say I like him or I love him or I they support him. Make I not ask him for accountability. Make I not tell him say make he can't explain because he hold me that much to explain to me how the corruption take come about. If he want to be a good president or a good candidate or a good senator or a good governor, he should return all the money they accused him of robbing or stealing. He should provide all of them. That would tell me and you, say man, he is ready for change. He they bring better thing. He not go corrupt like other people. So please my Nigerians, please my Edo, stop pointing fingers. When you come and say person where you they like, say na corruption himself, don't cover up, not point finger, go give another person. Let that person give us explanation because he hold us that much. Now me and you now get that money where they embezzle. So me and you now the problem of Edo State, not be our politicians. Because now you say me they embezzle that money. Now you say you not rich where they want to explain to. Now you say you love to be slave. Now you say you love to the suffer because we were there abroad. They answer una. Time they come just now, none of us for abroad go they answer una. I think so una don't they feel them. When we don't get our family, una will call us, we not go answer una because we get our own family to take care of. You people should take care of yourself. You people should ask for accountabilities. You people should stop covering up evil. Like seriously, enough is enough. Enough is enough, my Nigerians. Enough is enough, my Edo people. Enough is enough. Man, you people went too far for this one wanna do so. May they arrest anybody who start that violence for my great palace. He or she has to be used as an example to other people. Please, my brothers and sisters, pardon my anger. I not just feel happy since day before yesterday where I see this video. Say they go do this kind of rubbish for my palace. I don't know the message una they send give other people. If una feel just they throw stone for una papa house, I not still understand why my Edo people never still understand. Why my Edo people never still get the picture. Say these people will say that they come with peace, that they come with change, that they instigate violence like this, and they don't get the picture. Say man, it go too tough for them, it go too hard for them when they enter political power. I don't know why they know they get that picture. I don't know why they know they see the bright picture. When Mr. Godwin Obaseki hear this matter, he gives speech put, he calm people down. He said, may nobody retaliate. That is what good leader does. That is how you know somebody when no one bloodshed for Edo State again. That is how you know somebody that is coming with change. He begged people to please not to respond. Say now God now go respond for them. Make a quick drop this one. I wanna see as good leader, as somebody we need peace till they talk. Please bear with me once again. Let me share the video with you. I'll be back.
Your lives are more important than our politics, because without you we cannot play politics. So whatever it will take for us to keep you alive, to keep you safe, to keep you healthy, that is what we will do as a government. We understand that the opposition party has now resorted to violence. Please, 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 we do not want bloodshed. A billionaire, one of their billionaire people hired a lot of talks today around the Oba's palace. And I hear they are busy destroying cars with PDP flags. Do not retaliate. God will retaliate for us. What they are trying to do is to scare the people. They are saying that what they did today is a sample of what they want to do on September 19th. But thank God, we have a law-abiding president. We have a president who believes in the rule of law. And we'll make sure that we conduct our campaigns in a peaceful and lawful manner. We left them because of their lawlessness. We will not, no matter how provoked, resort to the same lawlessness. I want to thank you. I want to assure you that God has given us the victory. All we need to do is to continue to praise Him, look up to Him, and do His will. PDP! PDP!
All right, my wonderful brothers and sisters, you're welcome back to my universe. Hope you see that my Armstrong governor, the way they address people. I don't know what some of my people want, honestly. I don't know the kind of change what they really want. I really don't know. Some of Edo people, they fight for another person wahala. They don't want to fight for their own self. They don't want to fight for the betterment of their children. Like seriously, my Edo people. Like seriously, una not just like change, una no want get better life. Some people they say for 4 years, you not do anything. For 4 years, what till you don't do? How many news you they watch? Apart from to they watch saga video for Facebook. How many times you don't go news channel to go see what your politicians they do? How many of una know the name of the person where they rule una for una Oredo, or I don't know what they call them, apart from the name of Governor Obaseki? How many of una know? And many of una know, many of these people, my brothers and sisters, now only Governor Obaseki name they know. They don't know another person. They don't even know whether another person did their local government. Now Governor Obaseki not give us road. Governor Obaseki not do us this. Governor Obaseki not give us that. If they just there for beer parlor, they all hear say na so person talk onya wa muhiya. They not go investigate. They not go ask question. They not go even ask the person where they tell them something question. They go just the swallow one. They go just the consumer, they'll just they absorb because they see one go bear, because they see one star bottle, because they see one Gouda bottle. Like seriously, he get one news who I can't watch. This my Edo brother say he not get who he want vote for. Say Mr. Adams Oshomole get a reason why he say he made mistake for Mr. Godwin Obaseki body. I go do the video later. He say he not get who he want vote for. He say 8 people dey family, 8 people dey house where go vote. He never gain anything from Mr. Eze Yamu. He never gain anything from Mr. Obaseki. But the day where they want voting will go there. Anybody where you see and say, guy, my son, my boy, can you imagine? Can you imagine? If you imagine the mentality where my Edo people get, he go call on a boy, somebody where they give power to take the office, go call them boy. They go come say, okay, come give them tachere, maybe 1K or 5K. He go tell the people where they for a house, may they go vote for that person. Then you come they disturb me where they abroad. Because of 10,000, because of one bag of rice, where they take bribe you come feel now say, now me, now reach to, now suppose come they suffer for your own matter. when you no fit choose wisely when you suppose choose. Can you just imagine the way my people take dey think? Na person wey go give them bribe, na that person I go vote for. This my brother not think am say, man, somebody wey give you bribe for the day of election not get anything wey wan come give you for 4 years. This my brother never sit think am. They just dey think about only today. Money wey they want to go back, go back. Money wey they want to go ashawo joint. Money wey they want just stay day that particular day. Forgetting say that money na for 4 good years. Later they'll constantly come back, come later say government not good though, government not good though, government not good though. Make una wake up my Edo people. Enough is enough. We were there abroad, we don't tire, we need our own family. We not get time to dey take off una again. Make una take off una self because una get una own family. Una stop to dey take peanuts from una own natural resources. Like seriously. Please my wonderful brothers and sisters, pardon my anger once again. I really not mean to come out like this. The thing really provoked me when I see how they take insult my palace, how they take portrayed Edo people for the world. It was really embarrassing and disturbing. Like seriously. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. If this my video offend you, if any of my video offend you, I really not mean to offend or disrespect anybody for this my video. Please share your thoughts with me. Tell me what you think, and please on your camera condemn this thing. If you know if you show your face for camera, do audio and say enough is enough. Your voice matter. Now your voice will they wait for to repair Edo State, to repair Nigeria. Without you not say enough is enough. Those people wey believe say man corruption and normal, they not go bro. They not go prison where they belong. When power they with the wrong person, now waiting they happen be this, now waiting they play be this. Because if you look Nigeria structure, if you look Nigeria politics, now ex-criminals, now ex-jailers, people will just come out for jail, now they rule our country. Not be saying a lie. Go look history. Our ex-presidents, our ex-governors, our ex-senators, if you look them well, they don't go prison, come back in 1 or 2 ways. When they come back from prison, they go put them for power. They will give them power. Ask me how person where they come from jail or person where they come from prison want to take people who never do crime before. How you want to elect people who never do crime before? Now people who sabi, people who sabi do crime, people who sabi loot, people who sabi thief, people who be criminal like now go put for power. So power of Africans, Nigeria people, they unknowingly they give the wrong people power and they will be toxic. They know say if that power they with them, nobody fit talk to them. So make me and you collect this power what will give them, more collect them back, because without you and me, that power not will deal with them. More give them to the right people. Like seriously, my brothers and sisters, take your power from criminal, take your power from killer, take your power from kidnapper. Take it, I beg you. I repeat, when power deal with the wrong person, when power deal with the wrong people, now suffer the good people of the land, now they good day. So this one and the small report, the small hot topic when I get, so I see I can share with una, to share my thoughts with una, to share how I feel with una. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope you not take them personal. Once again, find a place in your heart to forgive me, for love's sake, for peace sake. Till I come your way next time. This Sophia Universe, the massive truth, and I pray the good spirit guide each and every one of us, protect our going out and our coming in, give us reason to love, tolerate and forgive each other, give us more reason to do away with hate, revenge and every other bad stuff. Till I come your way next time. Please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to watch more of my videos, hit the bell button to get notification whenever I have positive opinion and hot topic to share with my wonderful brothers and sisters. Don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to patronize me, and don't also forget to give my video thumbs up. Love you in the name of love, love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till the next video, one love.